One of the most effective investing strategy na pwede natin gawin is what we call the cost averaging strategy. And here's how it works. Let's say, on day 1, ang price ng isang asset, it may be stocks, mutual funds, cryptocurrency, or whatever, ay 50 pesos at that particular day. On day 2, umakyat yung kanyang presyo to 55 pesos. On day 3 naman, nagiging 60 pesos. On day 4, nagiging 65 pesos. At yung day 5, naging 55 pesos. So, ang gagawin natin is to sum this all up and divide by the number of days that you have been investing in the market. Meaning, yung average cost natin ay aabot ng 57 pesos. On the next day, let's say umabot yung presyo ng 60 pesos. Kumita ka pa rin ng 3 pesos per share. So, bakit nga ba effective ang strategy na to? Number 1 is that the asset usually goes up in the long term, especially pag maganda ang fundamentals ng asset na bilhin mo. Therefore, the odds of you winning in the long term is higher. Pangalawa is you build discipline by sticking to your investment budget and don't let the volatility in the market affect your decision. Personally, this is one of the strategies na ginagamit ko, and I also recommend people to do this also. What do you think about this strategy? Share naman sa comment section.